In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Microsoft Excel for free legally. So if you want to use Excel without paying for Microsoft 365, then this guide is going to help you out. And yes, this method is completely legal and works directly through Microsoft's official website. So the first thing you need to do is open up any web browser on your computer. I'm using Google Chrome, but you can use Edge, Firefox, or any browser you want. Once your browser is open, head over to a search engine and type in Microsoft 365. Now click on the official Microsoft Office website, which is office.com. Once the website loads up, you'll need to sign into your Microsoft account. So click on the Sign In button in the top right-hand side. If you already have a Microsoft account, simply enter your email and password and sign in. But if you don't have an account yet, you can click on Create One and make a free Microsoft account in just a few minutes. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll be taken to the Microsoft 365 homepage. From here, you'll see different Microsoft apps available online. Now go to the top left corner and click on the App Launcher icon. From the list of apps, select Excel. Once Excel opens, you can either create a brand new blank workbook or use one of the free templates provided by Microsoft. I'm just going to select Blank Workbook. And as you can see, Excel now opens directly inside your browser and you can start using it completely for free. You can type data into cells, create tables, use formulas, edit spreadsheets, and save your files online using OneDrive. Now it's important to know that this is the online version of Microsoft Excel, so some advanced desktop-only features may not be included. But for most people, all the main tools and functions are available and it works really well for school, work, or personal use. If you ever want the full downloadable desktop version of Excel, then you would need to purchase a Microsoft 365 subscription. But if you only need Excel for normal spreadsheet tasks, then the free online version is usually more than enough. And that's basically how to get Microsoft Excel for free legally. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.